Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever hopped into your car and been hit with that unmistakable gas smell, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can range from a minor annoyance to a potential safety hazard. Today, we're diving into why your car might smell like gas in 2025 and what you can do about it. Let's get started. First off, a gas smell usually indicates a leak or evaporation issue in your fuel system. In modern cars from 2025, this could be linked to advanced emissions controls, like the evaporative emission system, which is designed to capture fuel vapors. If it's not working right, fumes can escape. Common culprits include a loose or damaged gas cap, cracked fuel lines, or faulty fuel injectors. For electric hybrids, it might even relate to the gas engine component if you have one. Now, safety first, never ignore this smell because it could lead to a fire. If you detect gas odors, park your car in a well-ventilated area and turn off the engine immediately. Don't smoke or use open flames nearby. To diagnose the problem, start with the basics. Check if your gas cap is securely tightened. If it's loose, that might be the fix. Next, inspect under the hood for any visible leaks, like wet spots around fuel lines or the tank. You can use a simple smell test or even a fuel leak detector if you have one. If you're handy, try resetting your car's computer by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes. This might clear minor sensor errors. But remember, if the smell persists, it's time to call in a professional mechanic. They can use diagnostic tools to scan for codes related to the fuel system. In 2025 models, updates to software might even allow over-the-air fixes for some issues. To prevent this in the future, make sure to get regular maintenance, like changing your fuel filter and checking emissions components. Driving with a gas smell isn't just uncomfortable, it's risky, so address it ASAP. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. What's your biggest car mystery? Drop it in the comments below.